This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. I'm going to jump over to my browser here. I'm going to show you two different ways to create a playlist. One way is if you are watching a YouTube video and you want to maybe save it to a playlist, maybe create a playlist. You want to click on the save icon below the video. I'm going to click on that, and then it will bring up your playlists. If you want to create a new playlist for it, at the bottom you want to click on create new playlist. I'm going to click on that, and now it asks me to enter a name. I'm just going to call this videos, and then below that it's asking you, do you want this playlist to be private? That means only you can see it, or you can click the drop down and you can make it an unlisted playlist where only somebody that has a link to it can see it, or you can make it a public playlist where anybody could view it. I'm going to leave it on private. I'm going to click create. Now this video has been added to that playlist. Another way to create a playlist, you want to go up to the top right hand corner and click on your YouTube icon. I'm going to click on it. Then you want to go down to where it says YouTube Studio. I'm going to click on that. Then off to the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on where it says playlists. I'm going to select that, and this shows you, this is the playlist that I just created called videos. I just created that one. I'm going to create another one here. I'm going to go to the top right hand corner where it says new playlist. I'm going to click on that. Now it's asking for a name of the playlist. I'm going to call it more videos. And then below that it asks how you want it to be visible. Do you want it to be a public playlist? You can click the drop down. Do you want it to be private? Do you want it to be unlisted? Unlisted would mean only somebody with the link to the playlist can see it. I'm just going to make it private for now, and I'm going to click create. Now to add videos to this playlist, the playlist is right here that I just created. To add videos to that playlist, I need to click on the pencil icon. I could add a description for this playlist if I wanted to by clicking on this pencil icon. I could describe what's in it or anything. I'm going to cancel that. You could edit the title by clicking on this top pencil icon. To add videos to it, you want to click on the three-dot hamburger menu right over here. I'm going to click on it, and then you want to go to add videos. Now you could either add a video by searching for a video here. You could add it by URL. If you have the URL of the videos that you want to add, you could place them in here. Or you could put your own YouTube videos. If you click on this last option here, it'll give you a list of your own videos that you can add. I'm just going to add a few of them here. All you got to do is click on them. Now I'm going to go to add videos down here at the bottom. And that's the playlist I just created. That's how you create playlists on YouTube. Thanks for watching.